I'm your host Jason. In this video, I will be showing you how to build a Wix website for a sports club. The first thing you want to do once on Wix and you have created your account, which you can do for completely free, you're going to tap on create new site in the top right hand corner. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to this page and you're going to tap on create on Wix editor. Once you have done that, I want you to tap right where you see set up without AI. And from here, you can simply type in sports. So you can do that real quick. And you're going to see sports club. You can scroll down and you could even niche down further. So for example, you can see sports magazine, sports store, and so on. So you could select any one of those options. We're going to select sports club, then tap on continue. Once you have done that, you can see your dashboard is being prepared. Once the dashboard has been prepared, you can name your website. So you can tap right here and you could enter your website name. So for example, I'm just going to call it test website. After you have done that, you can tap on continue. Then you can choose the goals for your website. So is the aim to sell products, collect leads, share knowledge, offer services, or so on? You can select whichever one of these options suits you. So I'm going to tap on build a community and then you're going to tap on continue. After you have tapped on continue, you can see some recommended apps. So let's say for example, you'd like to sell products. You could tap on online store. You could also scroll down, let's say like how we're creating a website for a sports club. We'll also be selling tickets for that particular game or club. You could tap on events right there. You could also choose blogs and you could write articles about the sports club. So we're going to select blog right there. You can see other apps that you can also add. Then you'll tap on continue. After tapping on continue, we're going to tap on go to dashboard. After tapping on go to dashboard, you'll be redirected to your Wix dashboard. Now on the Wix dashboard, what I want you to do first. Now once on the Wix dashboard, I want you to go over to the left hand menu option and you're going to hover over catalog and you can select catalog. After selecting catalog, from there you can choose whether you'd like to list a physical product. So you can do that by tapping on new product right here and you'll be able to list a product. And also if we were to tap on events, after tapping on events, for example, as I said earlier, if it is a case that you would like to sell tickets for a particular sports club, you could tap on add new event and then you will see ticketed event right there and you could enter in the event name, you could enter a short teaser and then a cover image. And you can scroll down, you can set up the date that the event will be held and you can also set up the price that you would like to sell it for. And if it is a case that it is an online event, you could tap on online right there and tap on create draft. And after doing that, you could go over to the left hand menu option, tap on getting paid. Then from there, you'll tap on connect payment method. And depending on the country you're located in, you'll be able to set up different payment options that you'll be able to offer your customers. And when it comes on to writing articles or adding content to your website, you will need to select blog from the left hand menu option. So if we were to select blog right here, after doing that you could tap on create new post in the top right hand corner and you will be redirected to a new page. On this new page you'll be able to write out your articles. So you could add a catchy title and you can also add the content right here, then you'll be able to publish it to your viewers. After you have done that, to continue setting up your Wix website, we're going to tap on set up in the top left hand corner. From here, you're going to tap on design site in the top right hand corner. Then you're going to tap on customize a template. After selecting customize a template, you'll be redirected to this page. Once on this page, I want you to tap on the search bar in the top right hand corner and you're going to type in sports. Then from there you can select sports team or sports club. After you have done that, you can see different templates that you can choose from right here. Let's say we were to select this template. All you'll need to do is tap on edit, then you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, the first thing I want you to do is, once it loads up, right in the top right hand corner, you're going to see the option of plus 50%. I want you to change that to plus 100%, so you're going to simply tap on that. But we're going to give it a few seconds while the Wix booking app is being added. Once on this page, you're going to simply close the pop-up. Then from there, you're going to tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner. Now at the moment, this is how our website looks right here. And to edit a Wix website is quite easy. All you'll need to do, for example, let's say we like to change the vector art and the name right there. You can simply tap on it, then select change text, and you can type in the text or the name of your sports team. So I'm just going to type in my name right there. After you have done that, you can also change the vector art by simply tapping on it, and you can change the vector art. And it is as easy as that to edit any section of your Wix website. All you have to do is hover over it with your mouse cursor, then tap on quick edit. After tapping on quick edit, you're going to see a pop-up window appear on the right hand column, and from there you can make your changes. And if it is a case that you'd like to add something to a page that you don't see at the moment, all you need to do is tap on the plus in the top left hand corner that says add elements. Once you have tapped on add elements, from there, for example, you can upload images by simply tapping on upload and import right here. You can also add, for example, different form of medias. So for example, if you wanted to add a video or music, you can see different players that you can simply drag and place on your website. You can also incorporate Spotify player, and you can also add background music if you want. And if in the future you'd like to add a pop-up, you can also do that quite quickly using Wix. All you'll need to do is hover over interactive. Then you can select from any one of the light boxes template, and you can quickly add a pop-up. Now to view all the pages on your website at the moment, right where you see category in the top left hand corner, you're going to tap right there. And at the moment you can see all the pages that are on our website. So all you'll need to do to go to another page to start editing, for example, if we wanted to go onto the about page, we would simply tap on about, and you can see it carries us to the about page right here. And again, to edit a particular page or section, you'll simply hover over it, and you could tap on the section that you want to edit, then tap on edit text, and you can type in whatever you would like to add. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on publish in the top right hand corner, and from there your website will now be live. At the moment, I've selected preview, and you can see how our website looks at the moment. And this is it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.